Hi, my name is Stina. Thank you so much for being here. So today we are going to be talking about the Nintendo Switch Ring Fit Adventure. I just got my Nintendo Switch recently and have been struggling to work out in general. So I read tons and tons and tons of reviews. I asked plenty of forums their thoughts on this, and I got such positive reviews on the Ring Fit Adventure. Now, don't mind me, I just got out of the shower, so my hair is sopping wet, but I'm going to be playing this on my TV. I'll get some footage of that and tell you my overall thoughts. I am actually very exhausted today. I did not sleep well at all last night, so I need to wake up. So hopefully this can get me going with that. I haven't opened this at all. I just got it in the mail. I got it on Amazon. It was $10 cheaper than Target, just for reference. If you're watching this, I'm assuming that you already know the gist of what Ring Fit Adventure is. I don't really go over specifics in my review videos. I more just go over my opinions on them. So yeah, cool. And so here we have the actual physical game. And then we have the ring here and a leg strap, I believe. I don't really know what this all does, but I'm excited to find out. Okay, I have everything ready, so let's go play. Hi, I'm back from my workout. I am taking my hair out of the braid. So that was super interesting. I didn't really know what to expect from this, but I didn't anticipate a quality workout. Going into it, I opted to watch the 5-minute video. It shows you specifics about the storyline. I played only the adventure mode for right now, just because that's the one that I'm most interested in. And you get to meet the ring, and you get to meet like this dark entity, Dragonix or Dragonox or something. I don't know what the name is. It's this big dragon, and pretty much it's created like these mean creatures, and it's just interesting. You start to build a connection with this ring. That's the physical ring, but it's an in-game ring, because doing certain workouts thoroughly gives you the ability to pretty much bond with the ring, which is kind of interesting and fun. There's a lot of jogging in place, actually more jogging in place than I had thought. I had the option to choose light, medium, intense, and then extreme workouts. I chose intense, and starting the game, I was running or like jogging in place. You have the option to not jog in place if you live in like an apartment or something and you want to do squats instead. It can calculate how well you actually do the workout, which makes certain things easier and certain things harder. When you're jogging, you also have the ability to like jump and stuff. You don't physically jump, but you move and like squeeze the ring. And if you're not running fast enough, or if you're not doing it properly, you won't get all the coins. And like you won't get all the rewards that you can get, which is kind of funny because I thought that I could get the cheap way out, and like if I was just like lightly, barely jogging, I would be fine and I would still be able to like ace the game, but the game recognizes that I'm not doing 100%, so they're not going to reward me. So then it motivates me to be rewarded. The jogging I thought was a bit long, but I also chose the intense jogging, or I chose the intense workout. And then when it came to the actual workouts, you start to run into these monsters and you have to defeat them with workouts, and you can choose different workouts. I tried every one that was available in the beginning, and they were all really kind of hard in their own ways. The squat ones were actually really hard in my opinion. However, if the ring notes that you're not doing it properly or doing it well enough, it's not going to calculate it really. you're gonna have to keep doing a ton of them. But if you're doing your workouts properly, it doesn't give you as many, which is cool. It really holds me accountable. Also, I love that after doing some workouts, it tells me that my muscles are very happy and like my muscles love me right now, and it makes me feel good. I just kind of like took it to heart, and I was like, you're right, like I'm doing something good for my body. I don't feel as tired as I was actually. I'm feeling pretty good. I didn't do a ton of workouts just because I actually was working a lot last night, and I was on my feet a lot, and I have a really bad right ankle, and so I'm just kind of taking it easy, and I'm starting to get my heart rate up and not like push myself too hard. The game really encourages you not to push yourself too hard or overextend, and I really like that at the end after the workouts it also has you do some stretches just to cool down. It encourages you, if you're sweaty, to change your clothes, to give yourself a break, things like that. You can also set alarms for your Switch to remind you to work out, which was really cool. So I'm just gonna kind of try to make it a habit, and instead of telling myself, oh, I need to go work out, just tell myself, oh, I need to go play my game and like see what happens. I do find that the game so far is encouraging. There were some workouts that I was like, please be over, this is tough, like please be over. Like, oh, I have 6 more reps, but then thankfully, like when it gets down to 10 reps, you start doing them faster and you're not holding them as long, so it feels like they're going faster and it's kind of like easier to push through. So it's something for me to look forward to. Overall, so far, I am enjoying this. I think that it's clever, I think it's encouraging, and anything to help me work out, and I was really feeling the workout. There's also like a heart monitor that can calculate your heart rate. I was trying to see if it matched my Apple Watch's heart rate in statistics for a workout. However, my Apple Watch has not really been working ever since I got a new phone, and it's dead. It died really quickly. I don't know what's going on with it. So needless to say, I didn't get to use my Apple Watch, but I feel like the heart rate monitor was pretty accurate. I put in all of my statistics, and it gave me workouts based on my age group, based on my weight, things like that. Really cool and kind of customizable. You can decide like what kind of voice you want the ring to be in, or you can choose your eye color and like your skin color, which is really fun for your character. Yeah, I like it. I feel like if I can play that game 30 minutes a day, I will see such an improvement. I really think I will. So this is only day 1. I'm going to keep playing with it. So far, pretty good and really straightforward, so easy to set up. There's also games where you can do workouts, kind of like Zumba, where you can choose your music and then choose whether you want to do arms and legs or legs and core workouts. You can do quick workouts. You don't have to do the story mode. There's a lot. It really encourages proper form. There's this guy in the game called Tip. He's in the corner. He's there just showing you how to do proper forms. Also, what muscles you're working out when you're doing certain workouts. It tells you how long you've ran or jogged in place. So it's really, really cool. I really like that. And it really seems like so far they've done a lot of research and hired the right people to ensure that this game helps you stay healthy, encourages healthy eating, eating lots of protein, like quality sources of protein, drinking lots of water, and just really is interested in helping people get healthy, which is really cool. I just wasn't expecting that. This game, so far, I'm really liking it. I'm going to just use it a lot and probably do a follow-up video for this, but I definitely would say if you struggle to work out and you need something, like I've bought the home workout guides, I've bought the gym workout guides, I had a gym pass, like you're just trying to get motivated, this is probably the closest thing. And in the beginning, I just wasn't really feeling it, to be honest. I was not ready to be motivated, but you just have to sit there and be like, you just have to sit there and mentally remind yourself that this is a game. It is not working out, it is a game, and to just fully enjoy the experience. And once I could kind of get my mindset going with that, I found that I was enjoying it a lot more. So Definitely worth a try, and if all else fails, I mean, it's completely returnable on Amazon. I got mine on Amazon Prime, and it's great for the whole family. I can't wait to share this with my friends and my husband. It's gonna be a great time. So that's my experience with Ring Fit so far. I'm excited to continue the journey, and if you haven't, please, I would really, really love if you could subscribe or give this a like or give it a comment. Tell me what you think. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.